What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and I'm here to kind of help you out and answer the number one non-Pokemon or gaming question that I get all the time, which is, hey Falcon, how do you edit your videos and how do you do the face cam on the video? And I always tell them, I do it on my phone, I do it on iMovie. So today, I'm going to show you how I do that. So let's get to it. Here real quick, I'm just going to show you my setup. This right here is where I put the actual camera or the phone that I'm holding. I record all my Pokemon openings with my phone, all my vlogs with my phone. So I put one phone here, recording from here. You guys recognize Ash. And then the other phone goes right here to do my face cam. Goes right there. You guys can see the tins right there on the back. So this is kind of how I set it up right here. This is another tripod. So I use the backing of the tripod to kind of hold it there. So that is my setup right there. And of course I have a light right there to kind of shine everything. But there is my setup. One camera is going to go here. The other camera is going to go there. And then what I do here is whenever I'm sitting here, I turn on this camera first. And then that camera, or whichever one I turn on first. But I kind of try to turn them on within 5 seconds of each other. And then after I do this, I turn them both off. And then now it's going to go to the editing stage. So now let's go to that. Alright guys, so here we go. First off, we're going to open up iMovie. And here we are in iMovie, as you can see. We're going to grab two of my video clips. One of them that I recorded with one iPhone. And the other one that I recorded with the other iPhone. One of them is going to be the face cam. One of them is going to be the pack opening video. So we hit the plus sign here. Create a movie. And we're going to look for my videos. I have so many videos. You guys know that I record like 14 videos at a time. But here we are. These are the two. We have this one here. Alright guys, so here we go. We have that's in a crossbar, and this one has the same exact time. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a cross. Okay, so those two are the same videos. Now, the videos are not always going to have the exact same time, because sometimes you might hit record on one and then you might wait 1 or 2 seconds, or it might be a second or two apart, and then you hit record on the other one. So we're going to do this one first, and then we hit create movie. Pay no attention to the awesome pool. So we go all the way to the beginning, just so I can show you from the beginning. And here, let me show you. I hit play. Alright guys, so here we go. Okay, so I'm going to cut it off right before I start talking. Alright guys. Alright, so I started talking right about there. So I'm going to go back a little bit more. I hit right here on the bottom. I highlight that. And then right here on the left hand side, you can see the little scissors is highlighted on this side, right there. And then you see the split right there on the bottom right hand corner. You hit split, so then it's split into two. So then we just click on this back one, and then we hit delete on the bottom right hand corner all the way to the end. So that one's gone. So now let's test it out. Let's hit play. Alright guys, so here we go. So it's almost instantly. Alright guys. You got about a split second. You have about a split second right there before I actually start talking. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the face cam. So we go right here to the beginning. We hit the plus sign on the middle of the top left corner. We go to video, all, because we want to see all my videos. And then we're going to scroll down and find that same video that we were talking about earlier. And I believe it's this one right here. We can click on it. And then we can hit play just to like a preview. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Necrozma GX10 to open up for you guys today. Okay, so that's the one. So we click on it and you see all the options that it gives you. You have to go screen by screen, like side by side. And then the second option from right to left, that's to put the face cam in like a little screen on the top corner. So we're going to hit that. And you guys can see it. It put it right there. There it goes. Both of them are right there together. Now we can still adjust it. We can still cut it. The face cam. We can put that face cam video smaller, bigger. We can put it in one corner, the other corner. So here, let me show you first. We click on the actual video itself on the bottom. There it is. There it is. We click on the video on the bottom. If you see on the screen on the top right corner, you see the little arrows right there. From here, you can move the video wherever you want, or if you pinch the screen, you can make it smaller or bigger. So we're gonna make it smaller. I always put it like right above Ash, or sometimes I put it covering Ash's head, depending on what I'm opening, but I usually put it like this. And that should be enough. So now let's hit play. Let's put it back there. We click on that again so we don't drag it anywhere else. Let's hit play and see how it goes. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Necrozma GX10 to open up for you guys today. We will have... Now here, let me click on the top of the video. That's the face cam video. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there is a little like a speaker and it's crossed out. Here, let me... On the bottom left hand corner, the third option from the left to right, you see a little speaker. We're going to click on that. And this speaker is actually turned off. So let's turn it on real quick so we can hear both voices of the face cam and the regular video. So let's go back and let's hit play. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Necrozma GX10 to open up for you guys today. You guys can hear the double echo. You guys can hear the two voices from one camera and the other camera. This right here is like a perfect case of, oh my god, everything lined up together. It usually doesn't line up this good the first time around. Alright guys, so here we... You see right now it's like almost perfect. So usually what I do, like right now that it's almost perfect. Alright guys, so here we go. I usually, for me, the voice on the face cam is better than the voice on the actual video on the bottom video. So usually what I do, I click on the bottom video, I go back over here to the little speaker, and then I turn it off. And you can turn it off by hitting the speaker on the right hand side right here, or you can just drag this back and forth and turn it all the way off. And then I go back and I hit play. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Necrozma GX10 to open up for you guys today. You guys can see it right there. So now that the bottom speaker is completely turned off. But here, let me show you sometimes what happens. Let me grab this top one. Alright guys, so here... Let me put this one back on. We have it. Sometimes when you put it on, it'll be like this. Here, let me add right here on the back. Let me add my intro. And it's all the way at the bottom. This is my intro. You guys have seen it. And usually I cut it down. Usually right about there. Same thing. I highlight it. I get the scissors, split. And then I highlight that. And then I hit delete. It's gone. So sometimes, 9 times out of 10, what happens is this. Alright guys, so when I put this video on, it'll be like right here, and it's all off center. So when you hit play, so here we go. We have a... So they start at different times. So what you can do is you grab that video, you put your thumb in it, and it highlights it, and you can move it around now. So now we're gonna put it where we think the other voice starts. So let's start right there. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a... See, it's perfect now. Alright guys, so here we go. So now, since you notice that the top video starts before the bottom video, we don't want it to do that. We want it to look a little bit more professional. So if you notice where the bottom video starts, right here between these two, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this white line to that spot. You see, like there is a little bit of a thicker line on the left hand side of that top video. We can grab that and we can shorten out the video by grabbing it and then dragging it. So see this? We can drag it. So we're gonna put it like right there where the other video started. We let go. And you guys can see it. It's almost right there. Perfect. So now we can test it. We hit play. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a... Same thing. It's almost perfect. So it's almost... You're almost never gonna get it perfect at 100%. Both of the voices. So right now, for me, it's good enough. The people watching you are never gonna tell the difference if it's this close. So people won't tell the difference. You grab whichever one you think has the worst audio, whether it's the top one or the bottom one. You grab it, you go to the little speaker, and you turn it off. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Nakrosma GXT. See, there it goes. That one. Now let me show you guys the other audio. We're gonna turn this audio back on, and we're gonna turn off the audio on the cam. Now let's see play. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Nakrosma. I like the audio on my FaceCam better, so we're gonna turn this one off. We're gonna grab the FaceCam and turn that audio on. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a Nakrosma GX10 to open up for you guys today. We will have some amazing pulls today. I have a feeling about this tin. This tin is gonna give us... Okay, enough watching that video. So then what we do, like for example at the end, you guys see that I make my FaceCam bigger to say bye to you guys and to make sure that you guys subscribe. So let's go all the way to the end. We're just scrolling. You guys saw the awesome pull. So here we go. This is about the time I do my outro. 4 packs. I will take them. Thank you for editing that out, Falcon. I usually do it like right before I swing my arms like that. Got you. Alright guys. Okay, so we're looking at the FaceCam here. Okay, so right here where I'm swinging my hands. Alright guys. We go back a little bit. Then I'm going to highlight the top FaceCam video. You go to the scissors on the top left, on the bottom left corner, sorry. We hit split. So now the top FaceCam video is 2 videos. You can see the little tiny split right here where the white line in the middle of the screen goes. You can see that little tiny split. So we're going to highlight the second portion of the video. We're gonna get those arrows on the top right hand corner of the video right there, and then instead of pinching it, I make it bigger. So now when we play this, alright guys, well, I really hope, let's go back a little bit more. Alright guys, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day. Okay, so then I go back here. Great day. Right after I say great day, I highlight the top one. Same thing. I split it. Then I grab the bottom one. I split it. I grab the top one again. I delete it. Bottom one, delete it. Now let's go back and look at the end. Great day. There it goes. Perfect. And then right here, you can just name it whatever you want to. And we're going to name this one Test for Video. And from here, you can upload it straight to YouTube, to Instagram, wherever you want to upload it. So that's how I edit my videos. Very interesting, huh? There's a lot more work that goes into making a Pokemon pack opening than just opening packs and have fun. Yay! Okay, whatever. Alright guys, well that was the number 1 question that I get all the time. I hope it was helpful to you guys. If you guys learned, let me know that there in the comment section if that's going to help you out. If you did learn, share the channel, share this video so you know more people can learn how to edit their own videos from their iPhone, Apple devices. All I use is Apple, so from the Apple devices on iMovie. So, alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.